Hello, Mini Kit Monday friends. I am going to show you my page kits that I have put together for July 2020, which is crazy that we're already here. So my first page kit, I have some different patterns. Now I have some scraps, so I always like to try to get scraps used up. I love this one for a background, so I really think that's going to be a background. Pieces of this, I see how these tones go so great together. And these were from a bigger kit from Not Just for Boys Kit Club. This has this gorgeous sky scene on the back, but I'm feeling this side right now from this Bo Bunny sheet. This is a Heidi Swapp art walk with all of that great textury pattern stuff. Then I have this scrap right here. I think that's Amy Tan. No idea who this is from, but it is a really nice graph paper. And then I have a scrap of this gorgeous Bo Bunny. I think it's Bo Bunny. Really thick vellum. So that's the papers I'm looking at using with this kit. I have this cut file, also from that same kit club. Liking that. Now I know I want to use that. I want to get the stencil brought in to this page kit. This Nuvo brought in with it because I have an idea. And then the other things I have, and I know I won't use it up, so I'm not going to say I'm going to use it up. I have this Vicki Boutin Let's Wander Thickers pack that's partially used. And I also have, and I won't use it up again, I know I won't, all of these great die cut pieces. Now I have used them on one layout so far, so we know we still have a ton. And I also have these great cut files here that are from Not Just for Boys Kit Club. They are clouds with these cute little overlays. Now I don't know if I'm going to use them with this because I'm planning on using some circles. I kind of have an idea with that. And then I also have a stamp set. So I've got a little bit of a mixed media vibe going on, but that will be kit number 1. Wanted to pop on real quick and just show you briefly the kit I put together for my second layout. I lost the footage for it, but I do have a picture. So I am using a Bo Bunny pattern paper, a Heidi Swapp pattern paper, and is it Reminisce pattern paper, as well as some Vicki Boutin die cuts and chipboard bits. And then I had Heidi Swapp thickers from her Wolfpack collection. The little stars at the top of my wax paper, those are also Vicki Boutin chipboard. You see those great vellum pieces. Those were also in the Vicki Boutin, I think it's called Let's Wander die cut pack. I brought in a stamp set that was exclusive to Not Just for Boys Kit Club and my yellow Nuvo drops. So that's my plan going in, and you just get to see a preview of the photo I put with this kit. All right, stay tuned for kit number 3. All right, so here is my page kit number 3. We have 3 layouts to do this month. So I have this great piece of paper here. It is by American Crafts, and I don't see a name, 320425. So it's a wood grain, and it has these really deep saturated colors, and then it has kind of like the one color of wood grain. I think it is gorgeous. Next, I've got this great one by Vicki Boutin. It is called, I have it upside down, I guess, Beach Vibe. So lots of sunglasses on this side and swirly waves on this side with cute little sunglasses again for the branding strip. I do have this one piece of paper here that came with a kit. I'm using, all of these products are from the Not Just for Boys Kit Club from their July 2020 kit. Actually, it's a theme kit called Down by the Sea. So that is what this is. Now, the other goodies I brought in, they have an alpha with it. Well, it's not an alpha. It is a thicker set, and it's called Splash. So I have the word hello from that, and I'm using summer from the ridiculously gorgeous thicker set. So I have that. This is from the thicker set as well as this because I wanted to bring in enough blue for the blue to make sense. And then next I have from the sticker sheet. Where's my sticker sheet? So I can show you which one I got that from. I grabbed it from the sticker sheet that's included as well. It's from Summer Party by Echo Park. And I just grabbed all these little word stickers that I thought would work for this, as well as people's names that will be in the photo. Next, I've got these 3 wood veneer shapes. They are painted wood veneer, and I think they're wood veneer. And look, they're little starfish. How cute are these starfish? They're gorgeous. And then I'm gonna use some. There's no way I'll use them up, but I'm gonna use some of these beautiful little half pearls, and they come in a couple of different sizes in there. So that is page kit number 3 supplies. So that will wrap up my page kit choices. Now I can't wait to get crafting. See you soon.